You've been dispatched to the scene of a loud argument between a man and a woman.
That one only registered one shot, so you may have had a couple that actually hit him.
Gotcha. Yeah, I shot after he had already fired.
Yeah, it scared the crap out of me.
Well, it's live fire.
I understand that.
I think I found everything I needed.
All right, this is over. Come on, get that monster bag, throw it all in there, get it all in there, shut up.
All right, I missed that one. Oh, way off. I got him in the arm.
Yeah, that, in real life there would have been a reaction there. Oh, I forgot to mention, if between scenarios, if you need to reload your mags or whatever, just let me know and we'll pause until you're ready.
Gotcha. I'm good. And I had my hand up like this, my thumb over.
Oops.
You are responding to the call of an armed suspect at a local dry cleaners.
Watch yourself, Casey. What's going on in here? What's that? Getting up. You was getting too. I swear I'll do it. I swear I'll do it. Well, make your ass over.
I had a dead round.
You did get a shot that he may have reacted to there, but it came just as the scenario ended.
Right.
Get out of the way. Get out of the way. Put the money back now. Ground, let me see your hand. I'm ready to kill. Hurry up.
I keep grabbing back like that. I can't do that. Oh, right in the head. Yeah, good luck with that one. Oh, that was close.
He did register the last couple shots because it had already ended.
Right.
you are responding to a report of an assault at a local school. Look for other officers en route to the scene to form a rapid response team for entry into the school.
Hey, glad you're here, partner. Just talked to the janitor. Said there's a guy that came in with a baseball bat. It sounds like he's really pissed. I think I hear something down this hallway. You take point, I got rear guard, all right?
There's no way I missed that. I shot her.
Good job.
At that point, you may have done her a favor.
Is it just me or is it getting warm in here?
Yeah, it is.
It's getting really warm in here.
Okay, I'll be right there.